Hey, it's Ted here. I'm down here at my buddy's. Him and his brother are the fiberglass wizards here, and they're going to be fixing my Chris Craft. So this is my first chance to look at it as they've started to take it apart. And they said, no big deal, we just put it back together. So let's take a look. And here's the deck assembly. So this has all been removed. And that goes in the back of the boat over here. So here it is, and you remember from when I had it in my yard, and what they've done is they've cut the deck out and they've cut the sides, and they're going to replace all of this up here all the way up to the deck, and they're going to end up sistering all of these pieces and refiberglassing it all back together. They've taken the entire transom assembly and stripped that out, and you can see I'll wiggle it a little bit with my hand. So that's all going to get new plywood in there, and then all of these pieces here on the sides that are all waterlogged, they're getting all torn out, and I'll put it all back together. So pretty exciting. I'm going to pull the fuel tank out and put a new fuel tank in it while I'm at it. Being an 86 boat, probably going to need a new one, but just a short one here to let you see, what it takes to actually take a boat from the 80s and repair it when it has a lot of water intrusion and rot in it. So I'll keep the videos coming for you on this project, and we'll probably get it back together, I guess, in the next month, they said, and then it's up to me to start putting things back together. I'll talk to you soon.